Hey everyone, how's it going? Jim here. It's been a long time since I've done any train stuff, but it's I finally find myself with the time and motivation to pull down the display because just in a couple short months there's going to be a tree sitting right there. So gotta get ready for next year or for this year's setup. Figured I'd pull it all down either today or over this week. I am on call, so benefits of getting paid to sit at home is you get projects done. So I'm gonna get this pulled down. I'll try to shoot a couple clips for you as I do it. Yeah. Apologies for the breaking content as well with the flying stuff as well. My computer has decided it is no longer going to export YouTube videos. So now I've been working with Apple to try to fix that. And then the train stuff, I just haven't been using them a whole lot, so enjoy. So as you can see, 2010 is alive. It's not well. As you can see, it's kind of lurching back and forth, and it's kind of... I've talked to a repairman about it, and I just need to find time to drive to Milwaukee and drop it off. Because that's where 844 and 3751 were fixed. But yeah, as you can see, it's not quite really that healthy. It's not happy. And it's pulling. That's one speed step right now. It's pretty fast for one speed step. Where it gets really unhappy is, let's turn it up. It's gonna get pretty, so it's pretty quick below 20 something speed steps. Just 20. You could just see it just like hit a brick wall at 24 speed steps. And now it's slower than it should be. I'm at 26 speed steps. So that's why it's really never out of the box, is because I just, as much as I love that engine, I love it so much, I hate seeing it not run right. I don't want to cause any more damage, if that makes sense. And yes, 844 and 3751 are both fixed. 844, I think had a pinched wire causing some connection issues, and 3751 needed the smoking unit heating element and wicking replaced. Took like 6 months, but that's because they were so backed up. But it was, I mean, I think it was $100, $150. It was cheap. So, and then they did good work. So I'm probably gonna be bringing 2010 up there maybe next week when we're not allowed to fly because of there's a convention in town. I won't get into politics, but there's a political convention in town, and we're not allowed to fly airplanes recreationally that week. I'm not sure if I ever updated you guys on this. I did get a ZW multi-watt for my graduation. I got that almost a year ago now. It was having, I had some issues with it. I guess I shorted a board on its first hour of usage. So got a new board in it, well, new used board. So instead of channel A not working, it's channel, I think, C that doesn't work, which is fine. I don't need all 4 channels, I just need the main ones. Got that fixed by a hobby shop locally, actually, which was kind of surprising that they had parts.